My name is Henrique and this is an amazing studio. And today I will show you how you can use digital signage to make this amazing studio even more amazing. So here we have the software, which is poster booking, right? This is the software I am using here, poster booking. You can just access here and then you go to it. Now first I want my studio to show on those two different screens something very cool, so anyone that gets in there has some nice decorations. So I could use any videos from the internet, any images from the internet, but I can even create them inside poster booking. So that's what I will do. So here you have the AI images, all right? So let me put something nice here. How about the name of the studio? Let's put Good Music Studio. So a banner for the studio, You Rock, with a nice guitar on it. Let's make this studio named You Rock. Okay, so here you have one image that it generated. So here you have the image. Now let's generate another image from here. So like imagine that this will be on this screen, and this screen could be, let's say, a list of rules on how to record in a professional studio. Okay, so here you have rules for recording in a professional studio, and then but right now what? Okay, that's perfect. So I have generated the two images I will use, and now I will be exhibiting them in one screen and on the other. So how do I do this? Very simple. So first I will create my screens. So here I have already created a lot of screens, but I will add another one. So add screen. Here you have all the screens that I have used before, but I'll add this screen. So add the screen. Sorry, first I need a code. So I just go here on the players, and you have a lot of different players that you can choose from. The one that I'm going to use will be web player. So the web player, it gives you a website with a code, and that's all you need. That's the code you use for your screen. So I have here, I'm gonna have two, right? Okay, so I'll make this one work first, and now I go back here, I create a screen, and now here I will put the same code here. So I'll just, okay, put the code, and the screen name will be first studio screen. And alright, here it is, first studio screen. Now I need to add a playlist, right? So a playlist is what will be exhibited, right? So I will create a new playlist here, which will name studio logo. So a playlist, alright, the studio logo, and then I will add content to this playlist, and I will choose here the one that I have just created, and that's it. I'll just use this one for now. Alright, so here you have the studio logo, and here you have the screen. So now it has here edit duration is edit duration for the slideshow, but since it only has that one, no need. The playlist here, now I'll just add this playlist to my screen. So I have my screen here, which is first studio screen. Now add my playlist, which is studio logo, and that's it. Let me just update it here. That's it. Okay, so now you have the logo being exhibited here, right? Cool. Now for this one, I want to talk about the rules, right? So same thing. now I'll just create a new screen. So I go here and to create a new digital player. All right, this is the one I'm currently using, but I can easily create a new one. All right, so okay, so okay. So here I have a new screen, right? Here I have a new screen as option because you can have as many screens as you want. So you just go here, and now I'll get this code, and then now I will create a new screen to activate that. So very easily, I go on screens, add screen. That's the code. Then screen name, I put Studio Rules. All right, Studio Rules, and now and now I need a playlist. So I just quickly create a playlist, which will be Studio Rules, and then I will add content, which will be the one that I just created, which has the rules, and then add to playlist, and that's it. Now I have this playlist. Now I go back to my screens, and then on the Studio Rules I will be adding this playlist that I just made, and that's it. It's here. Now I go here, put it here, and there you go. You have it here. The two things that are exhibiting, but you can also use the slideshow. So now I'll give an example on how you would use the slideshow. So here you have rules for recording in a professional studio. Okay, but what are the rules? So I will quickly create some more images. Super quickly again. I go here on my content, AI images. Let's put first studio rule. First studio rule. No drinks allowed. All right, no drinks allowed inside the studio. Okay, so here it has created like our first studio rule. Perfect. So now I will add this as the second image. So I will go back to my playlist, which I have already created, and then I'll just add content and add the image that I have just created, add to playlist, and there you go. So duration, that is every 30 seconds. Let's make every 50 seconds. So set duration. Okay, and this one also every 50 seconds, just to be short for our demonstration. So it will be switching from one to the other. See, it switched already. So now you have here the first screen. So now you have here the logo, and this one will be switching from one to the other. So for example, let's wait a bit. Here it has first studio rule, but then if you adjust a bit, it will switch to studio rules. So then it's gonna keep switching, so people that are in the studio can see this switching, right? So let's wait a bit. There you go, it switched, right? It switches, and then you have this. Imagine a person getting in the studio, it's gonna see this, and then as they see, it will be sliding, show the rules for the studio, right? See, it switched. So you can program to keep switching, and then you can use as many screens as you want. So for example, I could also configure a screen for inside there or for anywhere else. So here I'll show how I can use 3 screens or even more, but now on this studio I use 3 screens. So those are the ones that I showed before. It has the nice studio logo, and it has the studio rules, which is slideshow, right? And then I have another screen here, that I put it here. For the person that is singing and playing, it has the chords and the lyrics of the songs. So nice. So one independently at any time I can control with my phone, and each one can exhibit a different slideshow that I decide to. So that's perfect. So that's an example to control different screens, and you can control other screens, maybe even from far away from another place. You can control all them with your computer or with your phone.